All right, so let me present to you yet another compelling trade. A trend, really, from this morning. As you can clearly see, there's not a tremendous amount happening in the market just yet, but I do have a rather interesting viewpoint here on market cipher, more specifically Crypto-Quebec cipher. What I'm noticing, strikingly, is a distinct change of character, as we like to call it. You can discern it right here at the top, where the shift occurs, a clear change in character. This is what I refer to as the excatoke. It's one of my invented terms. It's the excatoke Crypto-Quebec 3.0, truly innovative. And as you might expect, I was really hoping, indeed I would have loved to enter on this candle right there. However, I wasn't entirely certain, you see, if we had truly managed to cross over, traverse the very middle of the channel, that prominent white line that you're observing. And this morning, I woke up bright and early, and we have already, without a doubt, significantly, undeniably